Dear friends, today I am going to discuss with your honors a very important issue, important cause of accidents to workers, human and animal. Through various sources, it came to know that one of the major causes of accident to livestock and human and animal is inadequate line crossing clearances, line to line with each other. And today I am going to discuss 11 kV to 11 kV line crossings, inadequate clearances and the effect of that on electrical accidents of livestock, human and animal. Now, the first point is that in that particular area some existing line is there, and in that area new line is to be erected. Then what is done? An estimate is prepared for that 11 kV, and while preparing the estimate in that area where this new line crosses to existing 11 kV line, consideration is not given to the clearances in between crossing of this existing line and new line. That is, the line supports of the existing line are of 9 meters. New line are of 9 meters. Then what happens? You will not get a clearance of 2.44 meter in between bottom conductor of new 11 kV line and top conductor of old line. Then what is done? That the existing line with cross arm is moved down along with its conductors, and for top conductor a horizontal bracket is fitted at proper height for pin insulator. And while doing this itself, the configuration of the old line of equilateral triangle of the conductor is disturbed, disturbing the mutual clearances, inductances and chances for word faults, colliding of conductors with each other for the old circuit. And after doing this work, if guarding is not provided, what happens? The required 2.44 meter clearance between bottom conductor of new line and top conductor of existing line is inadequate. It is not 2.44 meter. Then what happens? During storms or performance of one line affects the performance of other line. During storm, the conductor clearances will become so less that they will come within leakage or sparking zone with each other. And at the same time, if on one of the line some worker is working, he may get electrocuted. This is the main reason for the accident of line staff. I have discussed with numerous line staff. They say that they have got maximum accident due to such inadequate line crossings clearances. Now, if guarding is provided in between the crossing of these two lines, the clearances will be so less that the guarding will get accidental charge frequently due to various reasons like storms, wind or some other jerks. And that accidental charge guarding will transfer to stage. And if some person, animal, human touches stage, that time it will get electrocuted. So this is the mechanism of accident. Hence, it is proposed that for all the such crossings, the map approval shall be made mandatory from electrical inspector, so that he can compel for adequate height of new line, adequate height of post for new line, so that required clearances can be maintained. But as presently there is no monitoring on this issue, what happens? Due to various pressures in the field, the substandard work goes through, which is the mother of various accidents. And my humble request for all in the Maharashtra is kindly inspect all such inadequate clearances crossings and make it good to avoid accidents, as Rabi season is going to start, and in this season there are maximum accidents to human, animal due to stage charging. I think I have made my point very clear. Again, if there is some induction on one line, it may affect the other line. There are voltage surges. If there is some voltage surge on one line, it will affect the other line. It means the performance of one line affects the performance of other line due to such inadequate clearances. Hence, these crossings are of very paramount importance. And even it is very important for line staff that they on their own shall submit the list of such less clearances to their section office, and section office get estimate sanction and works then rectified. I think I am not exceeding my limit, but I am talking just for the sake of safety of worker, human and animal. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief NMC and National Safety Commission member. For such safety related videos, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Kindly subscribe and guide.